Hey guys, I'm trying to put the valve guides back on these bad boys right here. Let's see how it goes. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. Hang on. So these are the valve guides, and I had to take a few of them were worn. Those were worn. I took them out there's at least 3 of them on this head that were bad. 1, 2, and 3. And I had driven them out. Now I got to drive the replacements that I have. Like, this is the new one. And the new one just kind of goes in here. See, it kind of goes in right there. So I just got to drive it in. So to drive it in, you got to make sure this is nice and clean in there, etc., etc. And then what I did here, I froze mine, actually. So that they're pretty cold right now. But I froze it to shrink it a little bit to make it easy. Then you take the driver, air driver, and you kind of do this to it, and you pound it in. This is already there. That's the old one. But before you do that, because these are bronze and this is steel, you might want to put, a couple of, brass or bronze or copper, something softer than the bronze itself onto that so it doesn't destroy the guide. All right? So we'll try that in a second. But I don't know. This is all. So I'm just gonna shoot this a little bit here, like a little bit of WD, just to see if it'll go, and then we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see. So you take this, and you put it in there, and let's see if it goes. There it goes. All right. And there you go. And how do you know it's in? Because the guide has a stop on it, which I'll show you later. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and that one, and that one. So that's the first one that I put in. This is the second one I put in. And this is the third. This is my new one. By the way, you got to get these sized, right? You take a micrometer, I guess the measuring device that you want, micrometer, whatever the hell. And you just kind of, you got to size the length of it, the outer diameter, the inner diameter, and you're kind of set, So let me just try to do this with one hand, just spin it around. Take that bad boy out right there. All right. I just take a little WD-40. Not too much, because it's not necessary. Just to, sorry I'm spinning everybody around here, but that's what it is. You kind of like this, line it up nice. Let's try this again. All done. That's it. It's a wrap. Oh, just for the record, this is one of the reasons you put them in. It kind of deforms these. So if you don't put these sacrificial, washes on the driver, if you don't put those on there, like 2 or 3 of them, that deformation you're transferring it to your guide. You don't want to do that. No. All right. So, you know, now the job's not done, by the way, because look, this is a valve, right? This is my intake valve, just to test. Look, it kind of goes in. You see that? And there's no real play. On the new one, it won't go in. So the job's not done. Okay? Job's not done. This is good. No shake, nothing. It's nice. Job's not done. The last step, well, second to last step, you got to put a reamer through here, straight down. It's another special tool. This is a driver that you special order, you know, for the size of your guide and valve size. But now you got a reamer. A reamer is like a special drill. Let me see if I find this. Yeah, so this is the reamer in here inside the plastic. Let me open it up. Okay, I'm back. So my reamer came in here. In my case, I have 11/32 valves. So that translates into 3.44, you know, guides. And this is the actual reamer, what it looks like. It looks like a special drill, you know. So basically, the reason you now have to put this in, you see it doesn't go all the way in? And the reason is that when you put these in, these are kind of, you know, they don't stay true, the guides. So you got to make them true for the valve, you know, nice and square. They kind of get deformed when you drive them in. So you take the reamer and you with your drill, low speed, and you drive it down, and it cleans up the inside of the guide. So it makes it nice and perfectly round to accept your valve. And then you take it and you hone it like you do a cylinder, and that's a wrap. You know, you clean it up a little bit, and that's it. Then you're ready for your valve, you know? But that's kind of how it's done. That's a reamer. So the driver, you know, when you size it, etc., it probably costs you 20, 30 bucks. This reamer, you know, they could cost hundreds, but in my case, you know, you shop around for certain machine shops. This one cost me maybe, I don't know, 20 bucks maybe, less the shipping. So, you know, you can find them. It's you know, they're special tools, but you got to do your due diligence and like shop around a little bit. All right. Once I'm off to the reamer, when I do the reaming job and the honing, I'll do that next, and then I'll probably record that. All right, guys.